All parties Hurriyat Conference has strongly condemned the Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi's visit to occupied Kashmir, calling it a cruel joke with the struggling Kashmiri people. APRC spokesman Advocate Abdul Rashid Minhas, in a statement in Srinagar, called the visit a cheap gimmick aimed at deceiving the international community about the dire situation in the occupied territory. A strike has gripped the Srinagar and other parts of the occupied Kashmir during the Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi's visit to the occupied territory. Strike call was given by the All Parties Hurriyat Conference yesterday evening. Modi arrived in Srinagar and today participated in a yoga event at the Kashmir International Convention. Indian Army's Northern Command, which is conducting operations in occupied Kashmir, is set to enhance its arsenal with the new weapon aimed at terrorizing the people in the territory. The Northern Command will soon induct the ASMI submachine gun, for which an order has already been placed. The Indian media reports indicated that the Northern Command has placed an order of around 500 ASMI submachine guns. Indian Forces personnel arrested 6 more youth in various areas of the occupied Kashmir. The youth were arrested during violent cordon and search operations and house raids conducted by the occupation troops in Gando area of the Doda district. In a separate operation, 2 more individuals were arrested in Hiranagar area of the Kathua district. Despite restrictions on the protest by the Kashmiri Muslims in occupied territory, the BJP authorities have allowed the trained activists of the Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh to organize large marches in the territory. RSS activists conducted a Path Sanchalan, a march past in the Jammu city. This marked is the start of a series of the marches planned over the next 15 days. All Parties Hurriyat Conference Azad Jammu and Kashmir chapter convener Ghulam Mohammad Safi has said that the Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi's official visit to Srinagar is tantamount to rubbing salt on the injuries of the oppressed people of the territory. Narendra Modi, who arrived in Srinagar and he officially managed the 10th International Day of Yoga celebrations in Srinagar city under a ring of the foolproof security.